Welcome to our unboxing video today, guys. We have the ANTEC NX800 mid-tower case to unbox. Missed. Okay, let's see what we've got in the box here. I'm actually going to need to put this down. Let's flip this upside down to get it out gently. There's something rattling around. Make sure we don't lose anything. Okay. Some nice thick foam to protect the case. Okay, that's the bottom. Flip that up. So there she is, the NX800 tempered glass side panel, which we're going to take off and show you the inside of. Thumb screws on the back here, toolless. So it's a simple slide off design, magnetic filter. Put that down safely where we can kick it and break it. So here's the inside. Obviously a motherboard tray, hidden power supply unit behind the shroud there. You've got your large two 200mm intake fans and the one pre-installed exhaust fan at the back here. All ARGB, addressable RGB fans. Okay, we're going to take off the back panel here. This is usually where they hide the manual instructions, any other requirements for the case. Let's have a look. No, there's, here it is, down the bottom. Hidden in the hard drive bay. So you've got your extra screws. Let's see what's in the little box for us today. So here we have some extra fan connections, some zip ties, some extra covers for the back slots, manual and warranty. Controller instructions for the RGB fans. Stuff's all good. Okay, come in. Okay, so here we've got two solid state holders. We've also got our hard drive bay for 3.5-inch drives, so we can fit 3 of them in there. And that is removable from the underneath. Just unscrew one thumb screw and then 2 Phillips head, and that can come out. Plenty of space for any length graphics card, so you can fit 3090 in here if you so wish to. Plenty of room for cable management. We've got an included fan controller in case your motherboard doesn't support addressable RGBs. You can hook them up to this one here, and then that will connect to the reset button up the top. So that is the case. There's magnetic filters everywhere on this one for all your intakes. See if the front panel comes off. Front panel does not come off. Do that a little bit again. So that there is the NX800 by ANTEC. We'll show off this case a bit more once we've got some parts ready to install. We'll also show off those individual parts. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and there will be a link to this case down below.